Welcome back to the channel. My name is Rosendo Alcaraz with Cutlass Vibes, and today I'm going to show you something. My signal lights aren't working. I'm going to show you how I used to do it when I was a teenager without much of any kind of tools. Let's do this. So first of all, I want to show you what it's doing. See, I put my key, I put my signal light, and it just stays on. The other side, same thing. What I would always do, I'd always check the back first, because it's always been the back. I've had this car for 30 years now. So I think when it does that, and it's always done that, I've figured it out. I think I can do it really quick. Might not work today because we're filming this, but I'm going to show you how I did it. So on these back ones, this top one, you just twist them to the left and then pull out. Looks a little a little black tint right here. You see that? So the bolt, but they're intact. So most of the time you get a little corrosion going on down here. And the connections doesn't work. So I'm going to show you what I do. I'm going to do the same thing to the other side and take it off. My dad would just tell me, start at the bulb and then check the socket. Now, the bulb looks a little dark. I bought some new ones, but I wanted to try this first. So I just remove it. I don't see much corrosion here, but just in case. So this is what it looks like inside. Doesn't look too bad. I'm gonna get a little bit of WD-40. Well, I just broke it, looks like. Put a little bit in there. I just put a little bit, not much. And just let it soak a little bit. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. And these bulbs, you just push them in, turn them, twist them to the left. And do that real fast. They don't look too bad. And they don't have to soak that long. Just spray them a little bit. Now, a knife. I'm going to try to use I have a multimeter. I have test lights. I have everything to test if there's actually power to this socket, etc. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to do this as like I used to do when I was a teenager and I didn't know anything. Okay? I still don't know a whole lot, but I'm just going to scrape this little part here because I think this grounds to the body. I'm not sure. It helps with the grounding. And it might not even do that, but I'd like to think it does. I'm going to just scrape it. And I'll show you here in a little bit what I did. I'm just going to scrape it real quick. So I'm gonna kind of try to show with one hand what I did. I scraped right around here with the knife, and the bottom ones and the side ones. There's one on this side, one on that side. I just scraped it just a little bit, really quick. I did both of them. Next thing I'm gonna do with the paper towel, I'm just gonna stick it in there and try to dry a little bit, as much as I can out. It doesn't have to be completely dry. Just don't want it all soaked. I didn't put much to begin with, so just a little quick dry, you kind of dab it. Next step, I'm going to put these light bulbs back in, and they do have, if you can see, one's higher than the other. Now you'll look in there, because if you put it backwards, it won't catch on. You stick it in there and twist it, push it and twist it to the right. So I'm going to do both again. All right, so that's all I did. I disconnected them. I sprayed a little bit of WD-40, scraped them with my knife. I'm showing you as if you're on a trip on the side of the road, one of your signal lights doesn't work, you can just pull over and do this really quick. Now, this bulb on this side, to me looks kind of black, dark here, so it might not be good. And I already put the other one. I did the exact same thing. All I did was just clean them. So I haven't done anything else. Let's see what it does. Okay, so the left one, get the camera in here. The left one is doing the same thing. It's not, let's see the right one. Oh, look. The right one is working. So, good, we got one working. Now the other one, I think they both would have worked if this was a good bulb, but I don't think it is. So what I'm gonna do, just gonna take it out. I'm gonna put one of the new ones. I have a new bulb right here. Now, by the way, these bulbs are 1157 is the number. They also sell some 2057s. I think those, I might be wrong, correct me if I'm wrong. I think those are more industrial, so more trailers, but they work. They're interchangeable most of the time. So let's give it a shot now. Let's go check it out. Now remember, all I did was clean it just a little bit. Now we'll put a new bulb on the left one. Check it out. It's working. Now let's try the right one. We're good. I don't think that took 5 minutes, and that was taking my time. It was under 5 minutes. So this car, I've had it 30 years, like I said. My experience with this car, it's never been the front. It's weird. I always thought maybe the front would be the ones to go have trouble because they're right here. And I would just think with all driving it with all the moisture, rain, whatever you're hitting in the front, that those would be the sockets you have more trouble on light bulbs, and it's always been the back. Now I have replaced the front, but just because they just got that old, I've had this car 30 years. Let's see. They both work. I'm just gonna put them back in here. All you do is put them back in and twist them to the right, lock them in place, and we're done. That quick. So it's something you can do really fast. If you mess with these old cars and your signal light stays on, usually that's one of the bulbs is out or there's something, corrosion, some kind of thing, but clean them both. I do that first. Cheapest thing to do, just clean them, put them back on. If they work, you're on the road. One last thing I'm gonna do. I got me some dielectric grease. I just got me a little small one because I ran out of the other bottle I had. I'm gonna put some on here. All you do, I'll get one of these. You just put some around here, around this, all the way around and under here, all this area. Put it in the socket, twist it. Now what that does, it's not a conductor really, it's just to keep moisture and stuff out. That way you don't get anything, any corrosion stuff going on happening, and you don't have this problem as often or ever, you know, just change your bulbs. Just to show you real quick how much I put on there. About that much, you're good to go. I love this car. I've had it so long. Me and my dad built it. He's gone now, but I'm gonna continue doing upgrades to it with my son now. He's 3, but he's already out here with the cars. I wanna start him just like I was little bitty. And hopefully he likes it and continue this going forward. Appreciate your time. And just wanted to show you something really quick that I've done over 30 years. And when I was a teenager, my dad would just tell me, start with the bulb. The bulb was out, of course, just replace it. If not, go to the socket, check the contacts, and then so forth. So just showing you a quick way to do it, and it worked. So have a good day. See you on the next video.